This is a 2011 Ford Ranger. It features a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine, a 5-speed manual transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, a trailer hitch receiver, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, 12-volt power outlets, and this vehicle has fewer than 33,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Thornhill Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at US 119 Corridor G in Chapmanville.